Hey everybody, this is Satyavani and I'm coming at you from Zen Spot again, and I wanted to introduce you to my lovely friend, colleague, and amazing yoga teacher, Lisa Omori, who is going to be teaching at Zen Spot beginning the first Friday in May, a gentle yoga for beginners class. And it is chock full of fun and is going to be fantastic for the new student. And it'll be Fridays from 9 until 10 a.m. and then on Tuesday nights from 5:45 to 6:45. So Lisa, why don't you tell us a little bit about the class and who it's for?
Okay, well, the class is geared towards the first time yoga beginner student.
Yes.
And perhaps a student who has been a little bit intimidated by yoga in the past.
Wonderful.
And a little bit nervous to walk into a class where they might not know anybody, they don't know the teacher. So we keep it nice and friendly and loose and fun, and just give you the basics of yoga and have a lot of fun. And it's a great time.
I love it. If you have not taken a class with Lisa, you are missing out. So please do come. Check us out on www.zenspotmbs.com. You can go to the classes tab and you can read all about the Gentle Yoga for Beginners class. And then there is a registration link as well. And also, Lisa has her own company called Downward Doggy, right?
Yes.
Can they get the information on your site too?
Yes, ma'am. DownwardDoggyYoga.com. So check it out.
I mean, how cool is that? Come check it out, friends. And if you have any questions, you know how to find us.